Hello everyone, want to know about Mint Mobile International Roaming? This video breaks down the plans, pricing and best alternatives to help you stay connected where you go. Mint Mobile offers international roaming via international passes starting at $5 for 1 day plan with 1 GB data, 60 minutes of talk and 60 text. It's cost effective for short trip but become expensive for extended stays, costing around $60 per month if multiple passes are used. For light data users focused on affordability, Mint Mobile is a great option. Heavy data users may prefer alternative like T-Mobile for better data packages. Country availability. Mint Mobile International Roaming operates through International Pass offering prepaid bundles for talk, text and data in 180 plus countries. To confirm the country eligibility, visit Mint Mobile International Pass page, scroll down to where are you traveling to sections. Select your country from the list one by one to check the availability. Plan availability. Here you can see the plan and check through it. 1 day pass $5 for 1 GB high speed data, 60-minute talk, 60 text. 3 day pass $10 for 3 GB data, 200-minute talk, 200-minute text. 10 day pass $10 per day average total $10 for pass duration. Expect pricing unclear from sources. For 10 GB data, 500-minute talks and 500 in text. 30-day no data pass includes text or talk. Only expect pricing unspecified. Free Canada roaming, unlimited talk or text plus 3 GB high-speed data monthly. Keynotes, data speeds. Reduced speeds after high-speed allotment is used. Wi-Fi calling, free calls or text to US number over Wi-Fi. Pricing consideration. Mint Mobile International Pass is cost-effective for stays under 10 days, example $5 to $10 per day, and they are providing unlimited texting to 150 plus countries and low-cost calls to 160 plus nations. These passes are perfect for travelers who need basic connectivity without heavy data usage, unlimited texting to cover 150 countries and low-cost calls to 160 plus nations make it convenient. However, using multiple international passes for a month can cost around $60 in addition to your regularly monthly plan, and it seems more expensive. Heavy data users may find this pricing impractical compared to alternative like Google Fi or T-Mobile, which offers flat rate international data packages. For a longer trip or frequent travel, consider carriers like Google Fi or T-Mobile, which offers unlimited data plan at a flat rate internationally. Best alternatives based on price. T-Mobile provides $50 for 30 days data, 15 GB high-speed data usable as a mobile hotspot, 32 calls, unlimited calls from simple global countries to the US and other simple global nations. Red Pocket provides cost-effective international plan including unlimited calls, data and text from $10 to $40. However, Red Pocket only provides international roaming to Canada and Mexico on all GSMA plans, with higher tier plans unlimited Premium or Elite, extending limited roaming to 25 to 50 plus additional countries. US Mobile US Mobile provides unlimited data and text option from $25 to $44. Summary of alternate plans. Provider US Mobile key feature 10 GB international data per month on unlimited premium plan $25 to $45 per month. Drawbacks limited to select countries. Provider Red Pocket affordable plans $10 to $50 per month with international calling and data. Drawbacks: no dedicated international roaming packages available only for Canada and Mexico. Provider T-Mobile key feature free texting abroad postpaid plans including international perks. Drawback: higher cost $50 to $80 per month. Final verdict: if you are not data specific, Mint Mobile is the best option for budget conscious travelers with prioritized calls and text over high data usage. If you need high data, opt for alternatives like US Mobile, Red Pocket or T-Mobile for unlimited data plans while traveling abroad. If you are traveling to Canada or Mexico, Red Pocket is better option to choose. Otherwise, you can opt to US Mobile or T-Mobile. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.